Why aren't there methods for pop singers to develop runs, sing pentatonic scales, methodically build your tuning, help you improvise, help you develop a song and stylize it yourself? There is nothing like this on the market. Strategic teaching, pedagogy on every page, techniques, application to songs such as by Katy Perry, Beyonce, Avicii. This is the place to help you train your voice for the most amazing decorations. The Maestro online library has specific courses for pop vocalists. They start from beginner and they move to a really advanced level, such as the Now Add the Sparkle Roaring Success method based on Katy Perry's Roar. And here you can see solfege is used, and there are videos of me teaching that you can click on and you can join in with.
Here we go. We're going to see do.
And you simply click off and there are many pages, not just with solfege, but solfege is certainly a teaching tool. Then finally at the end we find that we apply the various methods of somersaults, the throbs, the pair slides, swapsies, etc. over a piano vamp. Then there's the famous 5 workout using the pentatonic scale, the 5 notes. Yet again, there's solfege, but there's also application using licks from the real world. Some descending licks, ascending licks, throb licks, repetitive licks. Same licks, different starting points. I was here, Beyonce, I care, Beyonce. Smash Into You runs. Avicii, Hey Brother. Backing tracks to then improvise over the top. There is something to really train every single person strategically and methodically in these methods. So you don't want to just copy me method? You're in the right place. Make your own music, make it sparkle, improvise, extemporize, create runs, make the songs your own, in tune with strategic methods.